Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you full-size Instagram stories without getting cropped. So let's start. First open the Instagram app. Now long press on your profile picture on top left corner to add a story. Now swipe up and select a picture from your gallery. I'll select this one. Sometimes due to the size of the picture may get cropped. So what you can do is, you can pinch out the picture. You can pinch out the picture just like this and make the full size visible. When you are done, tap on Send to on bottom right corner and tap on Share to post it. And that's how you can post a full size Instagram story without getting cropped. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.